Whether it's your first or last step in digital transformation, paperless operations empower teams and build end-to-end traceability across any process. Unlimited checks, unlimited users, one solution. DigiView starts with flexible builder module that makes it easy to set up any check or process. Checks create a visual factory with operator shift progress charts and image-based checks to help teams manage daily tasks. Add in a real-time view of status across each site or the entire enterprise, and then top that off with traceability and drill-through analysis which correlates with other production data. DigiView allows you to boost quality KPIs like right first time and 0% work in progress and have complete transparency from shift to shift. Use DigiView to standardize procedures and improve production efficiency, all while improving safety and compliance. Managing compliance and improving productivity just got easier for you and your frontline teams. DigiView replaces time-consuming paper-based processes with automated checks that are easy to set up, complete, and analyze.